Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In this video we're going to talk about the wonderful healing benefits of citrine. Citrine is an amazing gemstone that can be used as a tool like essential oils and herbs and so forth of the different healing tools that we talk about in this channel, and it's associated with the color yellow, and it has a very bright color that stimulates the mind. So it has a psychological effect on the mind, and it symbolizes positive radiance, full of energy and full of power. Yellow gemstones in general, they are really nice to help to stimulate the mind, to help to stimulate creativity as well. So one thing is, if you have citrine or if you have any other yellow gemstone, please keep away from the sun. So natural citrine is a pale yellow quartz with a gentle sparkle and a lovely shine. True citrine tends to be light in color, and dark or yellow or orange citrine are also other examples of artificially heated amethyst or smoky quartz. So you've got to be careful if you're trying to look for a pure citrine gemstone. Avoid the artificially heated amethyst or smoky quartz that are made to be like citrine, and these are the ones that have a dark yellow or orange color associated with them. Also, stones that are often detected to be more towards the red side are usually artificially heated stones made to be like citrine, and it's also very possible to get large pieces of citrine in crystal clusters and also other shapes as well. Today, most citrine is in Brazil and mined in Brazil, and specifically when it comes to the state of Rio Grande do Sul, and also some deposits of citrine exist in Madagascar. So in terms of the history of citrine and the uses of citrine, the name citrine actually comes from the French word citron, which means lemon, and this is basically symbolizing the pale yellow color of citrine. And in the past, the stone was thought to protect against the venom of poisoning snakes. So it doesn't really protect against that venom, but there was that belief that it protects against that. And it's a wonderful, beautiful stone to place in the environment in your home, to actually wear as well if you're a creative person that wants to boost your creative abilities, that wants to boost stimulation of the mind. So in terms of the healing uses of citrine, the healing benefits of that, it actually is known to help clear the mind of conflicting thoughts and provide space for you to be creative and to think. And it's also being used to help detoxify the body just simply by wearing it, and has a beneficial effects on the kidneys, the liver and the gallbladder, and it helps to tone the digestion and the circulation as well. And it's believed to attract abundance in our lives, whether in the form of financial abundance or in terms of relationships and improving relationships energetically. And a little tip here is it's best to either wear citrine or placing it by your bed to help you to sleep. So we've come towards the end of our video today. If you enjoyed today's content, like, share and subscribe. We would love to have you on board. Take care and